3D like object which does not move in the space. It gives the feel of 3D objects, but it does not move in the 3D space. Okay, so let us just start. First, we will create a new composition with the given settings, and our animation duration would be around 5 seconds. Okay, let us just create. Now we will create a new shape layer, new solid layer for our background. You can choose whatever color you want. Okay, now we will add a new shape layer. Okay, and we will take just a polystar, and we will just make star here, and our stroke width would be around 47 pixels. Now we will go to polystar property, polystar transform, and we will give it animation using its scale value. Okay, so first my scale would be around 100%, and two after 2 seconds it would be just okay. And we will also animate our stroke width. So first our stroke width will be 47, and when our scale is at 0%, our stroke width also be 0. Okay, now let us play. So now we will just erase these keyframes. Click frame assistant and erase, or you can press your F9 key. Now we will go to graph editor and move the last keyframe points like these. Okay, looking super cool. Now we will just go to content and polystar, and we will just duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, or simply go to edit and duplicate. Now we'll go to the polystar 1 and we will add it repeater. Okay. Now open the repeater one and transform, and just this -1 -1. Okay. And we will make now 30 copies. Okay, now we will change the stroke color of this polystar 1 stroke color, and we will choose some dark color, so it will look like it's. Now you can see it is looking like a, and this is just our animation. Cool, this is looking super awesome. Okay. Now we can just duplicate it by Ctrl D and just place the second star and just fill it down, and we will just, so whenever these will be after some time, this is will start after some time from the first one. Okay, and you can also create some circles also and repeat the same procedure. Okay, shape layer, we will take an ellipse and pressing the shift plus alt key on the keyboard, we will make a circle and just change its color, something else. Okay, and we will just repeat the same process here. First we will transform it, scale first, and we will just start after some time. We will go just here. 0. Also the stroke width will choose after finishing to 0, and whenever our circle was at 100% scale value, we will choose the maximum stroke width around 47 pixels. Okay, and we will just ease the keyframes. Click assistant easy graph editor, and just slide the keyframes like okay. Display. Okay, so we will just move this layer. Okay, now content, we will just duplicate it, Control plus T, and ellipse 1, we will first we will change its color here. Okay, darker values. Okay, and now we will add Peter, and go to one, values around 30, and transform the Peter 1 position -1 to -1. Simple. It has been just created on the display. And the circle is starting. Okay, now we can just duplicate it, Control D, and we'll put. We will just scale it bigger if you want. Okay, and change its contents colors, shifts to like green this time, and ellipse to darker green. Just rubber tool, we will select this color and decrease the brightness. Cool. On the display. Okay, now we will see how can we create text with this method. Simply choose the text and write any text. Okay. Line to this. Okay. Now we will also animate it. We will add some wiggle position to it. Okay. Wiggle position. Wiggle amount around 20 and 4. Okay. Whenever animation will, we will just wiggle speed. It will just stop. It will come to rest. Okay, now we will just text and simply right click create shapes from text. Okay. Now and it is and the same thing we have to do like we did previously in the shape layers. We will just do contents and control D. No, this contents. So first we have to create a new group here and move all our contents to this group. Okay. Now we will duplicate this group by pressing Ctrl plus T. First we will change its color to something pretty color, and now we will go to group 2 and also change group 1, group 2, use like this. Okay. Now we will add repeater to this group 1, repeater to repeater with the 30 copies, and transform repeater position -1 to -1. Simple. It's looking like a whole template. Okay, we will just make the text. Animation will finish at this point.